Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today with 1Mancha. Yeah, man. 1Mancha with Dawaid. Yes, father and son with Mama Love. It's an official music video. Someone say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers them out there. Yes. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers, the good mothers them out there. We do the right thing. And I fend for them kids. And I make sure say them kids are always first in line. You understand? So I can jump in the and say what the G them did, man. What better time than to drop this? What better time than to drop this reaction? A link to that one I got down in the description. If you don't love them, I got support. Ready?
I miss you,
R.I.P. to the one them. What drop already?
I really miss you, mama.
My heart goes out to everybody who lose a mother. Ready?
My life was a mess, like car, everything just crashed. From the mother past me, I face my roughest time in life, and I pray God bring her back. Sleepless day and night.
1Mancha mother gone. Dawaid grandmother gone. But them still give you a Mama Love song.
I really miss you, mama.
Again. Some other who miss their mother. I know certain man in the day. What one? Alright.
My life was a mess, like car, everything just crashed. From the mother past me, I face my roughest time in life, and I pray God bring her back. Sleepless day and night, many days without a meal. Never know to lose someone, that's how it really feels. If your mother still alive, please cherish this moment. Mine pass and gone, it still have me.
If your mother alive, cherish this moment. My mother is alive, so I cherish this moment.
I salute her.
R.I.P. to the one them.
I really
we lose their mother. Mama, you're still there with me. 1Mancha, talk to them again, alright.
My life was a mess, like car, everything just crashed. From the mother past me, I face my roughest time in life, and I pray God bring her back. Sleepless day and night, many days without a meal. Never know to lose someone, that's how it really feels. If your mother still alive, please cherish this moment. Mine pass and gone, it still have me torment.
Your mother still there, you cherish the moment the G tell you, say, don't wait until mama gone, you go right up, oh, I miss you, mama. No, treat your mother right from now. Treat your mother right from now, you only have one mother.
This moment, mine pass and gone, it still have me torment. Oh Lord, I please, know what's best for me.
Dawaid.
But I can't understand why you took her from me.
Yo, Dawaid go biggie, man. A long time I don't see him, G. What go on? Dawaid, you go biggie, G.
Can't understand why you took her from me. Oh Lord, I please, you know what's best for me, but I can't understand why you took her from me. Anyway, you don't know, mommy, know you're proud of me. Cause we have come from far, from hungry days. You never used to have much, but you give me your last. That's why I love you with every regard.
Big up the mother them who never used to have much, but still give them last. Big up the mother them who always put them youth first. Yes. Cause so, none of them women have always put man first, you know. So big up the real mother them out there. Happy Mother's Day again.
You have much, but you give me your last. That's why I love you with every regards. I miss her so much, that's all. They said they love me, but it wasn't the same as your love. No one will ever do. Oh Lord, I please, you know what's best for me, but I can't understand why you took her from me.
Video clear.
Oh Lord, I please, you know what's best for me, but I can't understand why you took her from me. stress day and night, many days without a meal. Never know if you lose someone, that's how it really feels. My heart in a surgery from your diet, broken from me little bit ago. You tell me that me the chosen, you gonna make it to the top. Enough people and waving, everyone a worship. I got them in praising. I know you're in a better place, so I'm holding out the faith.
Oh Lord, I plead, you know what's best for me, but I can't understand why you took her from me. Oh Lord, I plead, you know what's best for me, but I can't understand why you took her from me.
Life did rough, so your hustling never stop. Lot of time I see you wet up in a truck back. Coronation market, a hustle for bread. A 5 of us, but we never hungry, cause we bed.
A real talk, you know? Yes. 5 away, but we never hungry, gone with bed. Yeah. 5 away, all in a one room. Guess what? Space always there. Lift it here. Yes.
Many nights me hear you cry out for back pain, but I stay light. Things remain the same. You grab your bill and back, you can hustle again.
You hear me say? You hear me say? At night time you ball out for back pain, and as morning light you out there again, you grab your bill. Once she grab her bill, you know what kind of job she do? She's a farmer. So big up all the farmer man of them. Big up yourself, mommy.
Remain the same. You grab your bill and back, you can hustle again. I miss you, mama. Things not the same since you're not around. I never get the chance to spoil you. I miss you, mama.
Oh, not touch it.
Things not the same since you're not around.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day again. All the great mothers them out there. My mother, your mother, Fee mother, Fear mother. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to my sister them too. Yeah man, 1Mancha and Dawaid, big up on yourself. Video clean, video clean. Yeah man, if you rate your mother, a link to the one I down in the description. Just go show the G say yo, you rate mommy. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. 1Mancha, big up yourself, my fam. Yeah man. Big up yourself. Let me know what you think about it down in the comment section. I like it. Mother's Day, I like it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Pew.